So hey guys, today we are going to unbox the new Redmi Note 8, which is we have got in black color. So here we are going to unbox the new Redmi Note 8. We have uh, got it just now. We had ordered it from Amazon. So actually, there are some shaky footage as I am not having anybody to shoot the video, so I am doing it alone. So I think I will have to arrange something for to put the camera. Yeah, let me pause for some time to set the set. Okay, so now we have got the scissor. Let me cut the pack. I will be back. So we are done with cutting the packet. So let me open it. So we have got it our new Redmi box here, uh, which is a seal pack and looking almost perfectly fine. Along with it, we have got what else we have got? There is an invoice. So this is the invoice. Let me have a look. So that's all. Forget it. That's not more important. So let me pause the video. I am going to unpack the seal and I will show you. So here it is. You can see it is seal pack. I am cutting it now. Second one. You can see it is still seal pack. See, it is seal pack. No chance of cheating. That's, and here we are. Now let us. So what we have got is this new Redmi. This is the case. Let me see what's inside it. Here we have got a SIM ejector tool, SIM card ejector tool, some user guides. That's not more important. Let me put it aside. And we have got a TPU case. Let me open it. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, it looking great and quite loose, but yeah, I liked it. So let me please step aside, and here is our device. We have got it in a thin carry bag. Actually, pardon my bad English, guys. Actually, my native language is another one, so let it be. And this is our new Redmi Xiaomi. Uh, let's get start. I am starting it. Oh, it says now booted up. Actually, it might take some time, so till then let us have a look on what else we have got in box. So let me keep it here. I should put it on. So the next thing we have got is plastic accessory, and this is the charger. Let me see if it is what voltage it has. Oh, so here it is. It is a 12 watt charger, guys. Unfortunately, they didn't give us 18 watt. I was hoping that it will be in box, but let it be. So yeah, this is the charger. Let me show once again. And the second thing we have got is a type C charging cable, which is pretty tough and seems like a good quality material. So that